As video editors, we just want to edit, not waste hours digging through the same overused tracks you'll find on most libraries. You need music that fits your edit, but you shouldn't have to dig for it. Most libraries will slow you down, but TakeTones doesn't. All you need to do is create an account and start downloading for free with a trial version. That way, you can download free music without worrying about copyright claims. They also have paid subscriptions, which unlocks other stuff, but we'll get into that later. So before downloading any music, I recommend you go to the menu on top and click on Whitelisting. As you can see, I added all my social accounts. This means that these accounts are whitelisted and that I'm allowed to use all the music and sound effects. And this will then prevent claims and copyright issues. Now, even if you don't add your accounts, it's still likely that you're never gonna get a copyright claim. If for some reason you still do, all you need to do is go to Release Claims, put the link of your video with that claim in here, and boom, claims gone, so you're always safe. Now, let's browse some music. First of all, on the homepage, you can choose one of the genres. You can use this if you have a genre in mind, but what I do most of the time is go to Moods. Let's say I need motivational music. TakeTones will now give me all kinds of genres, but they're all motivational. It gives me so much more options to choose from, which is why on this platform, you'll find the exact track you need so much faster than anywhere else. When you're choosing a mood on other libraries, you just get a list with music that literally sounds the same. That's not the case on TakeTones. Then of course you can further tweak your search results in here. But now if you go back to the home page, you will see that you can also click on usage types. This has given me such amazing results as well. If you're looking for music to add to your slow motion videos, just click right here. Bam! They will all fit your clips. This is exactly what I meant at the beginning of the video. You don't spend a lot of time on TakeTones. You just quickly download what you need and continue editing, which is what we want. Now, if you're looking for multiple tracks, just heart the ones you like. Then you can add it to one of your playlists, or you can create a new one. And then when you're done looking, you can go to your favorites and download them all at once. No need to search, download, search, download, search, download, and repeat. Now, video editors can't live without sound effects, which is why you'll find them in here as well. Most libraries are great for whooshes and all that stuff, but TakeTones is made for sound design. You will find the most common categories in here, and most of the time you don't even need to search keywords. Just choose the category you need and there you go. Man, the variety on here is so amazing. Now let's talk about the pro features. So there's an option to subscribe to Creator. This is perfect for creators or freelancers who are making videos for clients. And then you have the business tier, which is for when you're making apps, games, online advertisements, radio, television. That will give you the rights to use it for all that, which is insane considering this. By the way, I can't wait to see the future of TakeTones. I'm so curious on what they're gonna add next. Oh, and by the way, a Premiere Pro and After Effects plugin would be so cool. Now, besides music and sound effects, you'll also get access to video templates. You can again browse the categories, or you can choose whether you want to download templates for Premiere, After Effects, Final Cut, and DaVinci Resolve. From lower thirds to title packs, animations, there's actually a lot on here that you just can't ignore. Thank you, TakeTones, so much for sponsoring the channel, and thank you guys for checking it out. You won't regret it. Now, if you want to learn how to put this music to use in Premiere Pro, click the video right here on my left. Thank you guys so much for watching.